What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today it's a good old Tuesday afternoon. I've got the GT350R out. You may be wondering, hey, where's Super Snake right now? Well, those street tires, not the best. Very, very hectic on the street. Funny thing is though, well, not funny actually, to be honest. I told you guys I was getting the new tires and wheels on Wednesday of last week, but ended up the credit card company did a fraud alert with Jegs, and yeah, the whole order got canceled. So, and wasn't too happy about that. But the good part about it though, there's a bad part and a good part. The good part is that the one tire I really wanted to get for the Super Snake was 315/50 17s. I waited months and months to get them, and finally yesterday they became in stock. They have a stock now, which is phenomenal news. It's terrific, I think, because those tires are absolutely the best tires I think the Super Snake could have for the street. 100%. I don't think there is a better route to go. Yeah, you can go Hoosiers and get 325, but the dimensions of a 315/50 17 I think will work the best for the Super Snake. The weird part is though, I noticed when I ordered the tire, it said designed for automatic transmissions. I'm not quite sure what that means. Like, the tire, we're gonna see. We're gonna see. So I ordered that tire, so it should be here within the next week, and then I'll just put that on a 17-inch wheel, and then I should be all good to go. I should be 100% ready. If you guys haven't noticed, so that reminds me, the shirt I'm wearing, it actually has a Super Snake on it. It's called the Shredding Rubber T-shirt. It shows my Super Snake doing a bit of a burnout, and then it shows the Shelby lifestyle above it. Last week, I also said I was hosting a giveaway, and since no one got the correct time, I'll be giving it away in this video. It's a Shelby 1000 engine lithogram. It's one of the first ones. It actually has Gary Patterson's signature on it. It's got Vince's signature on it, so very cool. One of a kind, I think. And to get that, all you guys got to do is make sure to like this video and comment down below saying that you liked it, and I'll be entering your name into a random generator I have, and then within 48 hours I'll let you guys know who won, and I'll be contacting them, and then I'll be sending it out to you. So hopefully, if you want to win, you're gonna win.